Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. You will also need your new door handle assembly. Make sure you have a clean workspace and perhaps a small container for screws. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process, saving you time and frustration later on. Next, we will remove the old door handle. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel. Use a trim removal tool to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for power windows or locks. Then, locate and unbolt the old door handle from the inside of the door, usually held by 2 or 3 bolts, and carefully pull it out. Now, let's install your new door handle. Carefully slide the new handle into the exterior opening, ensuring it aligns correctly. Secure it in place by reattaching the bolts you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but not excessively. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the new handle assembly. Before putting the door panel back on, test the new handle's operation to confirm it opens and closes smoothly and correctly. To finish up, carefully reattach the interior door panel. Make sure all the clips snap securely into their corresponding holes and that the panel sits flush against the door. Double-check that all door functions, including the power locks and windows, are operating properly. This ensures everything is working as it should. Also, check the description below for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.